What is happening, everybody? Tabur TheCarGuy here. Welcome to another YouTube video. Today we were with Ghost F82. We want to get some inside POVs, hear the car out. Let's actually hear. We've heard it from the outside. Let's hear it from the inside this time. But we're hoping the weather doesn't screw it up for us. I mean, it's already drizzling outside, so I'm just hoping it doesn't like pour because this car just came from a car wash. But thank you to Ghost F82. Check him out on Instagram. I'll put a link to his page in the bio. Just check it out. Thank you to him for allowing us to get this inside pop of his car. So yeah, without further ado, let's head to it. So ladies and gentlemen, here is Ghost.
Brother, this guy doesn't give me given me a chance to speak. I'm trying to introduce this man and he's doing it over my voice. I don't know if you guys heard me, but anyway, this is this guy. Hold on. Hold on. This is Ghost F82. Obviously, I did mention I'm gonna put his link in my description. Check him out on Instagram and thank him for allowing us to do an inside POV of this beautiful M4. So yeah, we're gonna drive and hopefully find a beautiful location to get some pictures of it. It is raining outside, but you know, when it's a cloudy weather, the car being where it's, you know, proper. Content creator. So let's go. This man is not giving me a damn chance. But alright, let's go guys, let's go before the rest people pull through and be like, what the fuck is going on down here?
So yeah, we are here with Ghost. Ghost, my brother, thank you for pulling through.
I had no choice.
So yeah, we're gonna look at him already. There's a camera here that's supposed to pick up his car, but now because he's past the camera, that guys won't be able to see. Hey, BMW drivers, guys, I feel like, you see, there we go.
This thing is scary, eh?
Go sideways, my brother. Let us not take off the front flap. We've already started. I could tell, like, people that are outside are like, what the heck is going on? They're like, what are these crackles that are happening here? Let's slow down over here, like this.
Yo.
No, don't matter. Come on the left, come towards the left. Yeah, come this way. Yeah, wait, they just go straight. As people opened up the road there, I'm like, I don't even know for what. So this is an inside POV of this car. Obviously, like I said, we've heard it from the outside, but to hear it from the inside, it's just gonna sound different. So let's hear what difference we hear. Yo. What thingy? What exhaust do you have on this car, bro?
Strada.
Strada.
Yeah.
I know that's saying Strada or nada.
Strada or nada. That one.
Nah, it sounds amazing. Yeah. It sounds fire.
People here.
Nah, it sounds too nice. Got a Strada performance exhaust on this BMW M4, and there's a lot of carbon, bro. Like, did you buy the car with this much carbon, or you were like, I want it to be like this?
Nah, I just wanted it to be like this. I just had to put on like whatever I feel like, you know,
yeah.
Remove carbon, whatever it is now.
So would you like strip the whole, like every part where you see there's no carbon? Would you like be that person that's gonna be like, I'm gonna put on the carbon on this car?
I'm not done yet.
You're not done.
Like any part that can come off, I'm gonna put carbon in. If those are carbon, I'll put them carbon.
This car is going to be extremely light, yo, especially with the winds of Cape Town. Let's hope it doesn't fly into the ocean.
It will come back.
We'll have to fish it out. Go on a boat and just fish it out. Everybody's just looking at this car like, yeah. Now one day, guys, one day. I did say, if you guys looked at his story, he did post the whole confess, the compliment, whatever. I did specifically say he's had the car for a year, okay, or halfway, I don't know, for most of the year. And I did tell him, like, obviously December's around the corner. It's time. I'll borrow him the Polo, and then I'll go crack on
with this beautiful M4 in Camps Bay, you know, go over to UCT, you know, what other vibes? So you are allowing me to take this car in December, right?
On a contract, you sign a contract, then you tell you if you fuck it up, I kill you.
Alright, so he said the contract, I don't know if you guys heard that, but his English translation of that was take the car and have as much fun with it. I will cover all the costs, whether it's petrol, tires, the dates that I'm gonna be going to. So yeah, you know what? And goes to trust, guys.
Enjoy your life and your words.
So ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we've made it to where I was. Well, I wanted to take some pictures. I already took some shots, and yeah, we're gonna head out.
That was nice. That's too nice. Did you take a video while you're live?
I took a video.
I had to do it.
Nah, like we got that video up. Obviously, it's gonna be posted on the TikTok, on the Instagram, and perhaps the YouTube shorts, so you guys can see that. But yeah, we got the shots of this car going crazy. Like I did say it from the beginning. Like, yeah, this is fire, bro. Like, yo, that you know, when you do it in the rain,
yeah,
tires
nice.
don't finish, and it's nice. It slides nice, and you don't have that thing in the back of your mind saying, oh my gosh, my tires are finishing. But yeah, this was fire. Hope you guys are enjoying this video, or hope you guys have enjoyed this video, depending on where it ends. But yeah, this rain, even though it did mess things up a bit, it still played in our favor in a way. We've got the shots just from where this car is standing. I think it was where this car was standing, which I will be showing onto my Instagram. Just check them out, as well as where we were at the other location. So yeah, stay tuned. There might be something more. We might have a two-man thing where we have two M4s together, so you never know. Just stay tuned for that. But yeah,
On advantage. Helped us.
yeah, definitely, yeah. So obviously we came back from Kirstenbosch side. Look at how clear it is the side, but at the same time, like Mr. Ghost said, it helped us. It wasn't at our advantage in terms of taking photos, in terms of videos. Yeah. You just clip again, bro.
Yep.
Yeah, Saza, this car's too low. Yo. Every 2 seconds. From the inside, I don't know what it is, but it just sounds like an E92. I don't know why. Like when you're just driving and it's not like those harsh changes, but more of like those soft changes as you're just cruising. It sounds like an E92 changing. Slightly.
92, those old ones.
Yeah, the M3s.
I hate them.
You hate them?
Very much.
What do you mean?
I hate them.
What do you
I
mean?
hate anything
The
that
pure V8 engine in that thing.
I like it. I like the sound of it.
Yeah, exactly.
But I don't like the body.
Why? What's wrong with the body?
Exactly. Tell me how then.
Okay, between the body of an E92 and the body of the Suzuki Swift, and we are probably see. But if you like convert it to rear-wheel drive, I mean, you can also,
Man.
as Tommy says, whoop this far. So you can also whoop that far.
Fark will whoop you.
So ladies and gentlemen, this is where the video ends. Obviously it did cut when we were still on the way back, but obviously that's where it ended. We just chill driving, not hitting the car hard. I mean, we got the shots that I will be posting onto my Instagram, so check that out, Tabur _TheCarGuy. And yeah, it was a fun day. Thank you to Ghost F82. Just check him out on Instagram for allowing us to go ahead and take videos of the inside of his car, as well as to take some pictures. There will be more of this coming through. And yeah, please like and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll check you on the next one.